Shapes logo. Shapes. Smart and healthy aging through people engaging in supportive systems. Video of Caucasian individuals walking down a busy street towards the camera. According to the United Nations, 25% of the European population is composed of older persons. Video of middle-aged Caucasian couple running towards the camera on the side of a busy road. At the same time that the European population is aging, life expectancy is increasing. Sitting on a sofa, young Caucasian woman teaches an elderly Caucasian woman how to operate a laptop. Reaching retirement age should not mean losing the sense of purpose and the ability to remain involved in society. Video of a group of elderly Caucasian individuals and an instructor wearing gym clothes, standing up and stretching their right arms into the air in a closed space. Sustaining longer and healthy lives requires solutions that prevent or minimize risks of injury, frailty, and long-term chronic diseases. Shapes develops an open ecosystem that enables the large-scale deployment of digital solutions for healthy and independent living, to assist older persons who may face reduced functionality. Shapes involves hundreds of subject matter experts and professionals from different areas of knowledge and practice, including health and social care, government, academia, and industry. The project is led by the Assisting Living and Learning Institute in Maynooth University, Ireland. The organisation's logo. A group of middle-aged and elderly Caucasian adults hold a discussion, involving 36 organisations from across Europe. Organisation logos of all partners involved in the project. The Shapes Innovation Action, IA, seeks to facilitate long-term healthy and active aging, and the maintenance of a high-quality standard of life through the integration of a broad range of solutions: technological, organisational, clinical, educational, and societal. In a shot from behind, a cup of coffee sits on a table, while two elderly men are looking at a phone screen. Mediated by technology, in-home and local community environments interact with health and care networks, contributing to the containment of health and care costs, hospitalizations, and institutional care. With an investment of almost €21 million, Shapes is a broad initiative to cover the needs and expectations of older persons. Shapes aims to build the innovative Shapes platform, providing a broad range of solutions to improve the health, well-being, and independence of older persons, while enhancing the long-term sustainability of health and care systems in Europe. Shapes aims to create, enlarge, and consolidate the Shapes ecosystem for active and healthy aging, allowing stakeholders to A. Exchange knowledge and expertise, B. Identify current and future solutions for active and healthy aging, and C. Provide mutual advice and training. Shapes aims to promote the adoption of standards on integrated care across the EU for older persons, and the identification of standardization priorities to facilitate the deployment of open and interoperable platforms. Video of two elderly East Asian women testing a robot-like walker. Shapes' large-scale piloting campaign engages more than 2,000 older persons in 15 pilot sites in 10 EU member states. Aimed at the deployment, scale-up and validation of the Shapes platform and digital solutions, considering the applicable socio-technical context and specificities of users, environment and policies. The Shapes' four core elements are Shapes digital solutions, based on assistive robots, e-health sensors and wearables, Internet of Things-enabled devices, and mobile applications. Shapes ecosystem is a network of relevant users and key stakeholders working together to scale up the Shapes platform and digital solutions. Shapes marketplace seeks to connect demand and supply across health and care delivery and to facilitate the co-creation of affordable, effective, and trustworthy solutions. Shapes recommendations provide guidelines, a roadmap, and an action plan, which will include a set of priorities dedicated to standardization and supporting key EU stakeholders to foster the large-scale deployment and adoption of digital solutions and new integrated care services in Europe. An elderly Caucasian woman taps a screen robot. When seeking solutions for older persons and for those that support them, Shapes expects to improve the quality of life for users and carers involved, while demonstrating the added value of the underlying technologies used in Shapes. In a shot from behind, a man looks at a laptop screen. Another hand points towards it. To increase competitiveness of the European ICT industry through enhanced interoperability, best practices and financing models and scalable markets. A laptop screen shows the EU flag, circle of 12 gold stars on a blue background, with the picture of a lock in the centre, to provide user-centred, validated and innovative solutions addressing accessibility, privacy, security, vulnerability, liability and trust in connected data spaces. Close-up image of an elderly man facing sideways against a black background. To improve evidence-based efficiency of health and care systems with demonstrated added value of the underlying technologies. An elderly black woman wearing glasses smiles at the camera with her left hand on her cheek to achieve links and synergies between member states and regional initiatives. In a green space, a young Caucasian woman shows an elderly Caucasian woman a phone screen while the latter points at it, to be a European-led platform for smart, healthy and independent living. Shapes and the EU logo. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme, under grant agreement number 857159. The Shapes logo. For more details and updates, visit www.shapes2020.eu, Facebook @ShapesH2020, Twitter @H2020Shapes, LinkedIn @ShapesH2020, Instagram @ShapesH2020.